guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. How to make your home business work. You think running your own home-based internet business is a piece of cake, right? You have probably heard how easy it's to rake in tens of thousands of dollars practically overnight, and how you can have all kinds of free time and extra cash for traveling and shopping at your favorite store. Just throw up a website, add a few affiliate links, post to some forum, and presto, you are in the money. But the reality is this: if you want to success in your own home-based internet business, whether it's affiliate marketing or selling your own products, you will have to work at making it successful. You have to make it your job to success. You must treat it as your job, not as your hobby. It's great to think that with just a few easy strokes, you will be running on autopilot, bringing in loads of cash and then on to the next venture. But without some simple planning and consistent effort, you are setting yourself up for failure. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Stay organized. Set up folders on your desktop. If you download a lot of software, ebooks, or PDF books from specific individual, simple name and folder on your desktop after this author or site owner. Then, when you download something, you can place in their folder. Make your own HTML homepage. For quick and easy access to all your important sites, make up an HTML page with hyperlinks to your most frequently used sites along with a brief explanation of each site. Keep it on your desktop for easy access. Stay focused. Set aside a specific time for work. It could be from 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. every day or whatever times good for you. During this time, don't get distracted from doing only what needs to be accomplished for your business. Try to use the same time slot every day. You get into a routine and get used to the working mindset. Save the surfing for another's time. Set aside workspace. Make sure that all your friends and family know that when you are in your work area, you are off limits. No one's to bother you. Finish one task before starting another. As the old saying goes, put one foot in front of the other. Don't start working on something new until the first task is completely finished. Be consistent. Work the ideas that work. When you find something that works well for you, work its art and get as much out of it as possible. If you are submitting articles to a content site and they are playing dividends, keep feeding that cycle. Learn from failure. Do not get discouraged. It's failure just a learning process. Use any failure to your advantage by taking the lesson and applying it to your next venture. Test and more tests. Always test headlines and add copy. A small chance can reap hard reward. With these few simple steps, you will stay organized, stay focused, be consistent in your efforts, and build a solid foundation on which you can build your internet empire. After all, you are the one who will ultimately determine the success or failure of your business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.